This has some weight to it. Probably close to 5 pounds. This side. And there's the prime rib. That's gonna have to be oiled. I'm not sure what this is here. It has some stuff flaking off of it. That would be a K-55. Let's get this down rod off. Did notice this when I got it. Little crack. This is of no use to me because it's a J-hook. Look at that. Appears to be bent a little bit. You would have a hook in the ceiling with a grommet on it. These two teeth would bite at the ends of the grommet. That's why a J-hook fan can move freely. I will be keeping this, just not of use. Problem is, this is a smaller insert than most fans have. Either way, we'll try running it naked. I'm gonna put the switch housing back on because that doesn't need to be off. I'm not adding a light to this. Let's power it up. It doesn't stand upright, so I'm going to have to hold it, but it will work. We'll use the original swag kit that it came with, right here. I don't know if this is on with the pull chain or not, but we're about to find out. Here we go. It is. That's off. You don't want to touch. Oh. It was set to on, it just couldn't move. Stops really quickly. Seems to have a little bit of a hum too. Seems to be characteristic of a lot of K-55s to have a hum. Well, That's good news and bad news. So, what I'm thinking is, I have a KB-55 Emerson turn of the century with a ball and socket down rod. I'm wondering if they will fit with each other. Okay, we're going to move this aside for now. And in place, we're going to use this. This is an Emerson KB-55 turn of the century with ball and socket. It's a really rough shaped ball and socket, but it is a ball and socket. And they are both from, I believe, around the same time. This is a KB-55 motor made for Sears. The down rod is very tarnished, but I'm thinking it might, there's a chance that it possibly will still work. The two canopies really are not that different from each other. They're both tuna can style. This one is textured brown, this one is smooth, and this one's in more shape. But let's see if that in fact will work. Comparing it to the original down rod, it's tarnished, but it is just about the same length. So let's see if we can put a round peg in a square hole. That's interesting. The black wire is much longer than the white wire. I can't imagine why. Sadly, this down rod is basically tarnished to the point of no return. But if it works, I should probably put the canopy on just in case. There is a chance that this will work. It's not a very strong chance, but it's a chance. Oh, wait a minute. Ha-ha, motherfucker. Ugh. It does work. Can we put the set screw in is the question. I'm going to use the set screw from the KB-55 just to see, because, well, we got to see. Which, yeah, I don't think that that's fitting. This is more of a holder, and what this fan came with is actually a, yeah, that's, oh, actually, it is going in. Holy shit. It's still not really that, I mean, it could twist, but oh no, that's just the top ball. So there you go. We converted it to a ball and socket, but the down rod looks like shit. But that's okay. I'm going to put these spare parts aside. And I am going to keep this open because I am going to ask you for help. Where on this motor do we add oil? Because I think once we add oil, we might be ready to install. I'll let that up to you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.